Lately, I felt like my hearing is not as great as it used to be, so I was really curious to see if built up earwax could actually be part of the problem. WaxBGone sent me this earwax removal kit to try, and I've honestly always wanted to try something like this because I've never used an at-home ear cleaning system before. What immediately stood out is that this kit comes with everything you need in one box: the spray bottle system, soft irrigation tips, an ear basin, eardrops, and even an otoscope so you can actually see inside your ear before and after. They have a clear instruction manual and they recommend using tap water that's 98 degrees Fahrenheit. I really like that the spray tip is designed to use multiple gentle streams of water instead of one strong jet. It feels much more controlled and comfortable, especially for something that you're doing at home for the first time. Another thing I appreciate is the safety design. It helps to prevent you from inserting the tip too far, which honestly made me feel a lot more confident trying it myself. The otoscope is probably my favorite part because you can actually see what's going on inside your ear, which makes the whole process feel way more intentional instead of just guessing. And compared to going in for a professional ear cleaning, this feels like a much more affordable option that you can keep at home and use when needed. So if you've been curious about at-home ear cleaning kits, this is a really beginner-friendly one to start with, especially if you need something that feels simple, controlled, and easy to use.